My name?
What's up? How you doing, guys? I'm back from vacation. I just got a little thing to show you. It's like a stupid little 5-step Zippo trick. It's not really a trick. It's just something I came up with, and I liked it, so I figured I'd make a little tiny video because I'm dumb. Here it is.
What a gangster look like at least.
Not bad. I just got this in Myrtle Beach like 4 days ago. It has an authenticated real 4-leaf clover in there. So that's pretty neat. Made in the USA, so I trust it. Share your Zippo tricks if you have any, guys. Oh, and my dad showed me this little thing. I can't really do it that well yet.
Oh, hell no. You don't come to the guy. What? No, of course not. No, I can't wait, baby. I know me not these exciting that time.
Yes. Put 2 fingers here and spin it real fast. See you later, everybody.
Happy niggas ain't shit. I don't see haters like them. Empty.